How does one know if one is progressing in spiritual life? Sri Ramakrishna is to give a simple definition. He would say, Vishaya Virag Ishwarya Anurag. That means a growing dispassion, neutrality, dispassion for the world. Our entire engrossment in the world. This is the source of my pleasure. And remember, whatever can give you pleasure can give you unhappiness also. The moment you give it the power to give you satisfaction, it can dissatisfy you. The power to give you happiness, it can make you unhappy. The more the power it has over you, if I get it, I'll really, really be happy. Be careful. What you are saying is, I'm going to be really, really unhappy. Until I get it, and after I get it. After it goes away. So, the gradual dispassion for the world loses its power over you. It really cannot do anything lasting for me. And therefore, if it cannot really do anything lasting for me, it cannot really make me unhappy also. It's not anything important to me. Am I depressed? No. All my love, same power of desire now flows towards God. Vishaya Virag, Ishwara Anurag. A dispassion for the world, a passion for God. If both are increasing, an increasing dispassion for the world, an increasing desire for God. This is in devotional language, in dualistic language. In non-dualistic language, passion for inquiry, that I must know this. Is this truth there? It's real. It's for me to know that, to realize I am Brahman. The world of appearance, I begin to see that it is an appearance. As appearance. See, good things in a movie, bad things in a movie. Pleasant things in a movie, like a horror movie, scary things in a movie. Because it's a movie, good and bad, pleasant, unpleasant, horrible and attractive, at one level they're all the same. Because they're not real. They may give different kinds of aesthetic experience, but as far as reality is concerned, you have the equal disregard for all of them. If you see very nice things in a movie, you don't want to pick some of those away from the movie, put it in your bag and walk out of the movie hall. If you see horrible, scary things in a movie, unless you're a little kid, you won't want to run away from them because you know they are not there. So what is in a movie can neither pull you ultimately, really speaking, nor can it repel you, really speaking, except in an aesthetic sense. Similarly, a dispassion for the world. That is from a non-dualistic perspective. And an inquiry. I must find out the reality of this movie. I am told that I am this infinite being. I don't feel it. I don't understand it. Let me see. That is a sign of progress in spiritual life. A more practical sign of progress in spiritual life, a very great teacher of Vedanta said that over time you will notice your reactions to the world decrease. Your reactions decline to the world. In what sense? The negative reactions, anger, depression, irritation, passion, jealousy, worldly ambition, unhappiness about things in the world, all of them, they will decline in frequency, intensity, and recovery time. Frequency, they won't happen. Depression, I used to get depressed every month or every week. It won't happen so much. Once in a while I may feel, but not so often. Frequency will go down. Of all the negativities, frequency will go down. It will not disappear immediately. That's the whole point of progress. Intensity will go down. Earlier it used to be deep depression. Now just feel a twinge of unhappiness. Good. Earlier I used to fly into a rage. Now it's a flash of irritation. Good, that's progress. And recovery time, that will also go down. Earlier, a depression or an anger, a feeling of anger would last for hours or days and weeks. And now it comes and goes. Maybe I feel it, but it's gone after some time. It's there. It was there in the morning. By afternoon, I'm fine. It's just gone. Good, that's progress. The negativities, it will not be as frequent. It will not be as intense, and you will recover from it much faster. You will get out of that much faster. Sign of progress.